Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable the Google News feed on Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, of course, you can open up Google Chrome and see kind of a news feed on here. But another one is that you can swipe to the right and be able to see that Google News feed directly in your home screen. There are two different ways to turn this on. One is we can swipe up and open up your settings here. Let me go back to the beginning. Once you're at the beginning of your settings, we can just modify this and customize it within the home screen. So scroll down and tap on home screen here. And now if I scroll down, you can see add media page to home screen, aka the Google News or the Google Discover. So I can just tap on that and I can toggle this on. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's hop out of here and I can swipe to the right and now it shows me that Google News feed. Another way to turn it on is just to press and hold somewhere that there is not an app icon. And now if I swipe over to the right, there is Google Discover. So if that is turned off, you won't be able to see it. However, we can just turn it back on and now you will be able to see it. Just like that, you can swipe to the normal home screen or to the Google News feed or Discover feed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.